In the context of Bangladesh, he's asking this question: who has got the right to pass edict, and who has got the right to implement it?
Mullahs have no right to pass edicts, and it is the government agencies, the judges, which are employed by the government, but those judges who know also Sharia, they are capable of passing edicts, otherwise not. The mullahs have misappropriated that right. Very simple matter of decision. The mullahs speak against each other. So one mullah gives one fatwa and the other mullah gives another fatwa. Whose fatwa will be carried? So it's impossible to permit mullahs to give fatwas. Otherwise, there will be complete confusion as to whose fatwa should be implemented.